Hey guys, welcome back to TechSpark. So today I'm going to show you how you can check what activities of you are being tracked by the Google. So whenever you sign into a device and log in with your Google account, they start tracking the activities that you perform on that device with the signed in account. So I'm just going to show you how you can see that activities and disable the tracking if you want to. So first of all, you have to visit this URL. I will just give that in the description. That is myactivity.google.com/myactivity. So this will open up this page where you can see the different types of activities, and you will be welcome with this screen which where it shows that rediscover the things you have searched for, visited, and watched on Google services. So I will just move on and show you how this works. So then they are telling us that your activity helps the Google experience faster, smarter, and more useful. That they are saying that they track your activities and they use it for the improvement in the services. And now they are giving us the option that you can delete these items if you want to, and if you don't, then they will be using it for their own production in the products. So I'll just show you these options that like how you can change these activities and decide if you want to or not. So this is where it shows all of your activities. So I will just uh, talk about it one by one. So here you can put the filter if you want to search for a specific content, and then okay, this is the privacy line that only you can see this data. And okay, from here it starts showing what you did on the YouTube, not only on YouTube, on the Google services. So today it is showing that I have 34 items in the activity, and uh, there are two options that I have used the search services or search service of Google, and I have used the YouTube. So I will just try and see if they can give me the detailed information or not. Okay, so here it is. Yes, so as I search for Google, they are now showing me the history of whatever I performed on Google and watched, and exact time when I did it. So these are some of the history of what I did. I was just listening to some songs over the YouTube, and they just tracked and stored all the information that they collected from my YouTube searches. So after that, I will just see if they can. They also store. Okay, so they also store the whatever you search on Google. So like the search store the tech field I was searching for a domain. So okay, those they again store everything that you searched on the their search engine. And I only use two services, so it's only showing the two services are today. And then I will just go down and check what else is here. So it's showing again the detailed information. Okay, so then it is also having the yesterday's history, where they also stored Google Play Store. So I'll just see and uh, check. Okay, so it is just showing that I searched on the Google Play Store. So this is the way that they tracks everything that you perform on these different types of services. For example, what I searched on the search engine, what I did on the YouTube, what I did on the Play Store. So this is the way they track each and everything you perform on their products. So now this is how they track, and you can check this information and delete by clicking on here on the items if you want to. For example, like click on this option, and if you click on delete it, they will delete uh, it from the history. Okay, so they are actually deleting all the items. So okay, I will just leave it. I'm just showing you that you can perform this like this, that. Okay, now if you want to control and don't want anything or any information of you being tracked, so just go on to the left side of the bar and click on activity controls. So it will just open up okay, for better commute. So it will just show the different types of information that they track. And like they have this toggle button here, so just click on this if you don't want them to track any of your activities. So web and app activities are whatever you perform in their web browser. So they are are tracking it by default. So if you just turn it off, they will not be doing that again. After that, they store your locations. They store wherever you access their services from the last time. So they will just store your address. After that, they store every information about that whatever device you are using right now, and in whichever you have signed in with your Google account. After that, they store whatever you search on using the speech recognition. They just store all the audio clips. So I will just read this out for you. It helps recognize your voice and improve speech recognition by storing your voice and audio inputs to your account. For example, when you say okay Google to do a voice search, so they store all the audio clips. This is in the use of machine learning and AI, where they are trying to train their assistant to recognize different types of voices. So they track whatever you say on that also. After that, they search. They just store all the whatever you search and watch on YouTube. And then okay, that's a watch history. Okay, that's it. And after that, they were tracking your Google Play Store also, Play Store searches also. So you can just click on these toggle buttons and turn them off. So that's it. And this is how they allow you to decide whether you want to be tracked or not. And you can just deactivate if you don't want to, and you can just see whatever information whatever you performed on their services by going on to this URL, which I will just put in the description. So thanks for watching. This was it, and I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.